Here's the campsite.
I put the pot in there just because there's more room.
Our chairs, picnic table, line that was already there for us. Thank you, other people. Got the truck, and I guess let's go in the tent. Now, in the tent, there is a mud room right here for all the shoes. These are mine. And then you come in and you see the master bed right here for my mom and dad. To the left, my sister's stuff, and to the right, my stuff. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Got my giant suitcase. They said nothing would come in handy. Everything came in handy. Bringing all that. Air pump. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna be staying. Tomorrow morning we're going to the beach too. So that's gonna be really fun. I'll try to get some recordings there. So yeah, we're good. I'm tired. Just ate and I am ready to go to bed, but it's too early. But yeah, I'll bring you guys tomorrow when I go to the beach. The Wi-Fi hotspot isn't working, so I can't upload this video tonight. So whatever, I'll just have to do a 2-day camping vlog because we're going home the day after tomorrow. So yeah. Oh, here's the whole thing. Pretty cool. I like it. It's huge. Lots of room. And yeah, thank you guys for coming along with me. See you guys later on tonight.
Look at that! The walking's like much, but then by the time we do that, next one's gonna be
This one is gonna be a big one.
Yeah.
Watch this guy. Oh, he's gonna come right up to me. Oh!
Oh, that's
Coming
the
up.
biggest
No,
one.
this guy coming
That
up
one
here.
over there.
I see him.
Oh,
Imagine we're gonna be swimming in this tomorrow. It's gonna be
No,
worse.
we're not.
It's gonna be worse than this.
No, we're not going in this one. We're going
I
in
know,
this one.
a different one. Yeah.
But look, that came up through.
Another one right after it too.
Yeah,
Those people go.
You better get out of there.
That broke like far. It didn't even make it. Oh my god. What? Almost up to us.
Like this photo.
Will the sandal come back? Tune in next time. Oh. Doesn't seem to be coming back. Epic journey. The savior of the sandal. I feel good. Yep.
Yeah, but I'm already soaking myself.
Dun, dun, dun. Good morning, everyone. I'm in my sleeping spot in the tent, and I woke up at about 8, not 5:30. I said 7, but I woke up at 8, so who cares? I'm like well rested. I'm ready to go right now. Yep, let's go eat some scrambled eggs. We are going to the beach. Look at this perfect stand. It's like standing perfectly. I'm going to do this more often. This is perfect stand right here. Oh, there he comes with the ice. Oh, no ice. Never mind. They must not sell ice. Well, see you guys at the beach. We're going to the beach. Okay, let's see. Around this corner. Here it is.
Oh, it's going to be very hot.
Wow.
No. 10 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, 10 o'clock.
right there.
Whoa. Coming on the rocks here. And look at this. Look at the waves. And they said the waves weren't big here. Cool. The waves are big enough. I don't know what people were talking about. Wow, look how nice this is. We're gonna be swimming here. Well, let's dive right in. I'll try to get some clips of me in the water, but I might not be able to. There we go. Swam for a long time. Very nice. There, and now we are done. We are done. Where's my seat belt thing walking?
Right there.
Now after being in the water, let's drink some water. Nice and cold. Look at the scenery. Nice. Especially with the mountain in the back, like it's really nice. Yeah.
Besides the golf course.
Oh yes. What do you mean the golf course looks nice too?
Yeah.
No, she said besides the golf. Oh.
Oh. Yes. We're golfing. Yeah, a lot of people come to golf. Yeah.
This is all golf?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's the first hole.
First hole, yeah.
God, cook something.
There's the golf course. That's good. No, I'll take a shower one at a time, yeah. That's good. Yeah.
Yes.
Here we are. Back home. Back home. Back home. We gotta go take some showers and stuff now. Alright, so I'm at the hot spot right now, and I'm reading my book, Neil Flambe. It's a great book. Here's the book right here, and also here is my stuff. So like a portable charger charging right here, and my phone is charging right here. So it's a perfect combination. We're gonna go eat some food, and then we're probably gonna come back and just hang around, do some stuff, and get ready for bed. And oh my gosh, I have some sunburn right here. Oh, come on, I put stuff on. I brought some aloe vera in my medallion of things that I brought, so that's good. So yeah, see you guys later. Yeah, I'm full too.
Snacky items while you
Oh my gosh, this view is so nice. So I'm playing solitaire, and I've almost won. I've got no cards on deck. Got these here, and I've got the aces, and I'm all set to place them on. Let's place them. Okay, so here we go. This is the final. So first 5, 6.
This 3 on the clubs, this 4 on the hearts. It's actually easier than I thought. You want to, you know what I'm saying? Okay. This is actually really easy. See, I don't have troubles. There. Then there. Okay, then 6 of diamonds, 7 of diamonds, and then we got the 7 of that, spades, 6 of clubs, 7 of hearts, 8 of diamonds, 8 of spades. I can basically pick up whatever I want. 7 of clubs, 8 of clubs, 9 of diamonds, 8 of hearts, 9 of hearts, 9 of spades, 10 of spades, 10 of diamonds, 9 of clubs, 10 of hearts, jack of, ooh, hearts, yes, hearts. That's confusing, actually, confusing. So I need this 10 of clubs first, and then the jack, then this, and then this. Okay, we're doing good here. Oops, stick it all over, who cares, because I won. Solitaire. On my first try. Definitely first try. I know you want to comment, Screenshot.
Say you're surprised.
I'm not.
Good. Here. All right, so now that we bet solitaire, I actually bet my life because solitaire definitely played every day, right? How many times did you win?
I think twice.
Twice. So this is my first time on you play on your phone, right?
I played on there.
Yeah, so I play on this one. I play real life solitaire, you know what I'm saying?
I didn't know how to push it up, so.
Well, now I know. Should have known.
There's hummus in there too, maybe.
Perfect.
Digestive crackers. Now I gotta fill up my bottle, and then we're going for a walk. There's the water. Just gonna put it there. I'm just walking around all the RVs right now and thinking about how it would be cool if we had one, because they're really cool. I finished walking through the RVs. Now I'm walking through the tent area, and I'm almost done. I think I'm gonna pop by the beach though real quick, just because why not? I can. Oh look, here's a trail right here I can go through. Gonna go right through here and go left, and I should arrive at the beach sometime soon. Now the next area I'm going through is where we stayed last time, and this is the really populated area where I stayed last time. There's people everywhere, so that's where I'm going now. And there's our campsite. Ta-da, there's our campsite. And now, this is the sink we were using. So I'm gonna take this path. There's a lot of stuff over there. All right, let's go through this path. Whew. Nice little path. All right, now if I go up this street, it should take me through the populated area, and then it should take me to the beach.